So here's why most people say that the test light won't put out 12 volts if the bulb is lit. It's because most of the time they're using their multimeter wrong. This measures a difference in potential. Right now, the electricity is running from the positive post through the light and grounding out through the motor. That is the direction of current flow. If I remove the test light from ground and complete the circuit to the multimeter, to the battery post, negative, you get 12 volts. So complete the ground again, 0 volts. So what you actually have to do in order to find out if that's putting out 12 volts is you have to do a voltage drop test. And because multimeters measure a difference in potential, you can't do it if you're not on the other side of the flow. You got to go to the other side of the flow on the battery terminal to find out your voltage drop. And there is no voltage drop across the test light. And if you want me to prove that, my battery is at 12.3. There is no voltage drop.